Hey, what's up guys, this is Shukesh once again. Today I'll be showing you how to make calls from your smartphone without any SIM card installed, or in other way, if you are using a single or dual SIM phone and already installed two SIM cards, that is you don't have any free SIM slot for your Jio SIM, you can still use your Jio SIM card on your smartphone as a third SIM card. Using this JioFi 2 device you can buy from Reliance stores, and this is actually a very interesting trick. I think this is one of the main reasons you should get this JioFi router. You can not only create a Wi-Fi hotspot, you can actually use the Jio SIM card installed into the router. As you can see, there is no SIM card installed into this smartphone right now. My Jio SIM card is actually installed into the JioFi device. Now let's turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to the JioFi device. As you know, SSID and the password are actually printed on the box, which you can change of course. Check the description below for the video link for changing the password. Now go to the PlayStore and download this software, that is Jio 4G Voice, which is basically a free software by Reliance Jio. After that, there is a very simple and one-time process you need to go through. Allow all these permissions. Then you will get this option to connect to the JioFi router with the Jio SIM card in it. I need to mention here the Jio SIM card I have installed into the JioFi is basically meant for smartphones. That is, I can either use it in the smartphone or inside the JioFi device. My JioFi router has been detected, so let's click here for registering. Now while buying the JioFi router, you must have provided your primary phone number, so while registering you will get a one-time password into that number. There you go, I got the text. Well, the setup is complete. Now with this Jio 4G voice software, I can make calls, I can make video calls and also send messages just like a normal GSM smartphone. Let me show you. Now to use the messaging function, you need to change the default messaging application to this Jio 4G and also set your battery preference so that this Jio 4G voice software can run in the background. This will drain slightly more amount of battery, but in return you will get this amazing option of using the Jio SIM card you have inside the JioFi router. Now let's make a call to this Vodafone number I am using as my daily driver. Now there is a very nice feature. If you lift the device to your ear, the call starts automatically, or you can just click here. Let's wait for a while. There you go. So once again, I'm making call from my Samsung Galaxy J5 without any SIM card installed, which is totally insane. And as I mentioned before, I could actually make call from my dual SIM device with two SIM card installed using the Jio SIM card wirelessly on the JioFi router. Now one thing you should keep in mind, you can register up to one smartphone at a time. That is, if you register a new smartphone, the Jio 4G app on your previous smartphone will get disconnected. So one SIM card can be used by one smartphone only. Though of course a Wi-Fi connection can be shared with multiple smartphones at a time. Well friends, we are at the end of this very short video. I hope that you have found this video very interesting and helpful. If so, then please consider subscribing. I have more videos coming up on this JioFi 2 and the Reliance Jio SIM card. Thanks again for watching. This is Shukesh and have a nice day.